All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do some landscaping with the Massey Ferguson 1725 MB. Stay tuned. Just a quick look at the Massey. Put about 16 hours on it, gaining a lot of experience, especially with the loader. I feel like I'm getting pretty good with the loader now. Overall, I'm really satisfied with the tractor. Today I went through and greased all the Zerk points on the loader as well as the backhoe. So keeping things greased up is essential for a tractor. I've learned that. And you want to take care of your equipment because you want it to last for a long time. Here's a landscaping project. My wife and I have been working on this for the last couple of years. It takes a long time when you don't have a tractor. Pretty much clean this whole area up without large equipment. We've removed lots of poison ivy, pulled out all sorts of shrubs and so forth, and want to get this ready so that we can seed over most of this. But I want to go ahead and put in a mother's garden right here. This will be for Mother's Day for my lovely wife. And I started moving the soil over. Pretty easy work for the Massey Ferguson, and did level it out by hand. Going to do the final leveling on it once I bring some rock in right here. Going to use some of these larger stones.
He's so crazy, isn't he? He's like just so crazy.
guys, we finish up the project tonight. It's a good looking garden. Looking forward to many years of growth. Very pleased with how this turned out. We expect many of these plants in here to grow and to spread. And that's good because there's lots of room for that to happen. These are all perennials, so they'll come back each year. Very little maintenance required. And again, this is a nice little welcoming garden. People come to our home. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Definitely come on back for more videos. The real unsung hero was the Massey Ferguson. Everyone worked hard, including Miss Massey, so this would not have gone as easy as it did without our new tractor. So very grateful for that. All right, guys, take care.